Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel where we paint, make, create and sew. My name is Jennifer. Right, this is my swatch board. Yeah. It has all of the paint swatches of all of the art supplies that I have in my collection, and it is layers. It's layers upon layers deep. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it all off here and we're going to put it on a canvas. I went to Bargain World and I bought a big, hold on, still going, a 35 by 47 inch or 120 centimeter by 90 centimeter canvas, which I got for $26 and I believe 90 cents, 50 cents, bargain. And we're going to put a nice little border on this, and then we're going to stick all of the swatch cards on it, and there should be, hopefully, room to spare, room to grow. As the art supplies collection grows, I'll be able to continue to add to it. So let's get started. Okay. Welcome to the messy carport. I've got it taped up and I've left a border all around the edge, which I'm going to put some splats of colours here and there. So I've got all of my acrylic paint, which I have from the $2 shop, which is reasonably good for what it is and where it's from. So I'm going to use that to create a colourful border, and then once that's all dry we're going to put the swatch cards on. So I'm going to sort the paint into colour order and then put them on the canvas. So I'm going to pop you into time lapse and get to it. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. We have 27 paints. Divide that by 4 sides, 2 longer and 2 shorter. Let's see, 27. So if we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have a double up, so now that's divided evenly. I can get to putting it on my canvas. Okay, here we are. It's all painted in. I'm going to let that dry, and then I'll come and I'll do a dark outline with a Sharpie around the edges and the middle border, but I won't go in between the colours. And then we'll be able to stick all of the swatch cards onto that. But it's nice and breezy and quite warm. I think it's about 22, 23°C today. So I'll let that dry and I'll come back to it later this evening.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, okay. So it's dry. I brought it inside. I'm gonna now take the tape off, reveal how clean or not clean my lines are, and then I'm gonna go around it with my marker. Okay, I have everything sufficiently outlined, and I have all of my swatches. I'm going to use these to put them on. So let's turn my swatches into a work of art. Here we go. My beautiful swatch cards of all of my art supplies turned in to a beautiful work of art. And there's tons of room along the bottom and some spaces here and there that I can still fill in. I'm really happy with this, and I think I'll start using this as my backdrop when I make new videos. Don't forget to like this video, share, comment, subscribe, thumbs up or thumbs down, doesn't matter, you do you. Any interaction will do. It all helps us please our algorithm overlords and helps us meet new people. So, with all that said and done, thanks for watching, and we'll see you